Okay, year two, and my last lesson today is on how to interpret or to look and understand a pictogram. I will say one thing right now. This is what my technically third and a bit. Do not feel obliged to do this one. You don't have to do it, but if you are hankering for some more work to do today, please do it. It's a nice lesson on understanding what a pictogram means and reading it properly. But honestly, if you've worked already lots and lots, you can stop now. You don't have to do this lesson. Here's a pictogram. It shows people's favourite colours. Each face represents one pupil. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people liking red. Only one person liking white. Interesting. This one goes across. Our one from earlier went up. Interesting. Cool. On this example, all we have to do is just count the faces. So 5 people liked red. 8 blue. 3 yellow. 4 green. Only 1 for the white. Lovely stuff. Make sure you include a title. Title's very important. And let me know what you're doing there and the scale. Lovely stuff. Now, when it comes to interpreting, you need to be able to understand what is happening in this. This one here says a pictogram showing pupils' favourite colours. Each full face represents 2 pupils. So on this one, if the question were how many people liked yellow, you have to count up how many symbols there are. 1, 2, 3. And remember that each full face or each picture or symbol means 2 people. I will actually count in 2s. 2, 4, 6. 6 people liked yellow. How many liked green? We got 2, 4, 6, but half of 1. What is half of 2? 1. So that must mean 1. So it's 2, 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. If the question says to you how many people were asked in total, that is interesting. You're going to have to count up all the people and then times it by 2 because each symbol represents 2 people. If the question was how many more people liked red than blue, you have to work out what red is. Red is 16 and blue is 11. So the question is how many more people liked red than blue. It's how much more is 16 than 11, and the answer is... that's right, 5. Cool, let's move ahead, shall we? Over here, favourite colours. Each full face is 2 people. I think we're okay here. Oh, this one's interesting. Let's do this one here, shall we? Cars. The number of cars seen on Church Road. Each picture represents 4 cars. So how many Vauxhall cars were seen on Church Road? Remember, each symbol is 4 cars. Let's count up in 4s. 4, 8, and half of it. What's half of 4? That's 2. So 4, 8 plus 2 is 10. How many Toyota cars were there? Remember, each symbol is worth 4. Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4 Toyotas. 4 times 4 is... that's right, 16. Or you could just count up in 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. How many Ferraris? Vroom, vroom. How many Ferraris were there? It's only half a symbol. Each symbol is worth 4. So half a symbol must be 2. Interesting. Let's go over here, shall we? What did you have on your toast? What did you have on your toast? Now, each symbol now getting harder. Each symbol is now worth 8 people. Yikes. So why don't we count up the jams? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jams, right? But bear in mind, each symbol is worth 8 people. So what's 7 times 8? Yikes, that's some big numbers here too. 7 times 8 is... pause the video. 7 times 8 is 56. Interesting. How many people liked Marmite? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Interesting. Now, I've got some challenges for you to work on, if I can just find them on my computer. And basically, you've got to work out the answer. It's to do with children in need. Sorry, it would have been a good idea if I had all of the stuff up already, but that ship has sailed. Here we go. A pictogram to show the money raised for children in need. The hot and spicy today, each symbol is worth 2. So half of a Pudsey, that's Pudsey Bear, half Pudsey is worth 1. And that's 4 classes. And some questions for you to answer. Mega hot, each symbol is worth 10. So half of Pudsey, what's half 10 going to be for a half Pudsey picture? Interesting. And the are you not only do if you're feeling really ready for a big old challenge. Each of these symbols is worth 4 now. So for class 1, you have to go 4, 8, 12, and half a Pudsey, which is going to be 4. Add it on, it's 14. There are questions about it, so good luck. Answer the questions in your books, on a piece of paper, I don't mind. You don't have to print this out at all. And just to reiterate, this is very much optional lesson. If you do it, there's some answers for you to mark your work with, and you can tell me how you did. I can't wait to see what you've done today. The email is keystage1@gmglt. Send through your work, any questions, any issues. Good luck with this though. It's not easy stuff. But I imagine if you guys apply your growth mindset, you can give it a go. Interesting stuff. Thank you, Year 2. You are amazing.